amazing websites you can get access to images for your travel guide, cookbook, and others. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and also click the icon notification bell so that you receive notification whenever I post a video, and also give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started. So these websites have worked amazingly, like it has helped me earn a lot of money from just Amazon KDP publishing, or if you are not into Amazon KDP publishing, you can also use it to get image for yourself. But first of all, let's dive into what we have today to get image you can use for your cookbooks and travel guide. So first of all, let's go to ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT. So I'm using free ChatGPT. Let's go to ChatGPT and look for a prompt that we can use to paste on the website, so it will give us access to images. Well, I just want to use a little prompt here. Let me just write one vegan food and preparation. I just want to use this prompt. I just want to use it. So it's loading. So you can see that. See, it's giving me I just need one. Let me pause it. Or wait, let me leave it. So let me copy this fruits and vegetables. Let me copy it. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. So let's go over to our Chrome. Let's go to our Chrome or Google. You can use Chrome or Google. Now, type this on your Google or Chrome. bing.com/images. So this is the website for the image. This is the website. You click on it and search. So you can see that you can you must sign up with this website before you use it. So I'm already on the website already. I have signed up with the website. So you must sign up with the website before you start using it. The most loving thing about this website is that it will generate a good image for you. Okay, it will generate a good image for you. So let's want to copy from ChatGPT. Let's paste it here. That's fruit and salad, and click on search. So it's loading. You can see here, this is a lot of images I have used for my books. You can see here, these are lots of images I've used for my books. Okay, so this is the image it have generated. Have you seen? This is a very good looking image. It's about fruits and vegetables. See it? Fruits and vegetables. And you can see that that's fruits and vegetables. So this is a good professional looking image. So let's download any of them. Okay, downloaded. So another thing I want to show you is how you can enhance these images so that it will look more professional. Okay, so that you enhance it so that it will look more stunning. So let's go to this website. Bing, that's big jpeg.com. So what this website does is enhances images, make it look more beautiful. So they have the paid version of this and also the free version of this, but I'm using free version of this. Okay, so let's click on select images. Now select that particular image you want. Let me select that fruit and salad on. Click on OK. Okay, you can see that. Now let's click on start. Now image type, artwork and photos. So this artwork is all about if you're someone that is into coloring book. Okay, you can click on artwork. Okay, but this one is for photo. That's good image. You click on photo. Okay, so what I love about this website also, it will enhance this photo and make it look more professional. Okay, so about this upscaling is that it enhances yes, that's the main thing that enhances the image to look more beautiful and stunning. So for the paid version is 8 times and 16 times. Okay, but for the free version you have to select the 2 times or 4 times. Okay, so let's go for let's leave it on 2 times. Then for the noise reduction, you can leave it on none. Okay, so let's click on OK. Then let's wait for it to load. It's still loading. Okay, but remember this website work for free. You can use it for free version. Okay, but if you have money, you can pay for the paid version. So anyone you want to, you can do that. Okay, so but this is wasting time. Maybe it's network issue, but I'm going to pause this video so that it will load. It have loaded, so it asking me to download. Then click on download. Click on list app. When you click on list app, that's when you need to download. Click on list app, then click on download. I just want to show you something. So now let's go to my gallery, to my photo, so that you check how professional the image will look. Images. Let's go to that download. You see that? So this is the first one. The first one we use that bing.com, and this is the second one. You can see that it enhances it, it makes it look more stunning. So this is the best website you can use for image travel guide or any image you're looking for. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and also click the icon notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you so much for sticking to this video, and thank you for being my subscriber.